Hello everyone. Today we came up with a new current affairs series, a weekly wind up. So let's get started with January first week. Flood forecasting system. Central Water Commission issues a flood forecast at various river points. So why it is in news? Because Chennai city will get a flood forecasting system by February 2022. The rivers covered Adayar, Kuvam, Kosasthalayar, Kovalam and Nandiyar and Nagriyar. These floods were categorized as above normal, severe, and extreme. This categorization given by Central Water Commission under Jal Shakti Ministry. We'll go to next. Lighthouse Projects. Prime Minister unveiled projects for affordable housing for all. Lighthouse projects under Global Housing Technology Challenge India at 6 sites across 6 states. Around 1,000 houses each will be built in 6 cities using modern construction practices. Completed in 12 months. The cities which will cover Chennai, Ranchi, Rajkot, Indore, Lucknow, Agartala. This challenge is undertaken under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. We'll go to next topic. Holy Rhino. Holy Rhino from Ice Age found in Russia. A well-preserved Ice-Age woolly rhino with many of its internal organs intact has been recovered from permafrost in Russia's extreme north. Next, a limit for trans fat levels by FSSAI. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has capped the amount of trans fat acids in oils and fats to 3% for 2021 and 2% by 2022 from the current permissible limit of 5% through an amendment to the Food Safety and Standards Prohibition and Restriction on Sales Regulations. Trans fats are a form of unsaturated fat associated with a number of negative health effects. Artificial trans fat is created during hydrogenation, which converts liquid vegetable oils into semi-solid partially hydrogenated oil. Trans fat can also be found naturally in meat and dairy. WHO, that is World Health Organization, has also called for the global elimination of trans fats by 2023. MCQs. Question number 1. Central Water Commission is a premier technical organization of India in the field of water resources and is presently functioning as an attached office of Ministry of Dash. A. Jal Shakti Ministry. B. Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Ministry. C. Ministry of Commerce Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. D. Ministry of Earth Sciences. Answer is Jal Shakti Ministry. Question 2. Lighthouse Projects Challenge is undertaken under the dash. A. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. B. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. C. Ujjwala Yojana. D. Jan Dhan Yojana. Answer is B. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. Question 3. Dash is responsible for protecting and promoting public health through the regulation and supervision of food safety in India. A. Ministry of Defense. B. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. D. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. The answer is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.